we have a homework problem, specifically problem 2 of homework 7, that asks us to perform an Aspen simulation on an ideal flash. We actually want to redo problem 1, which takes a 100 mole mixture of 20% hexane, 30% heptane, and 50% octane, and run it through a flash at 1 atmosphere. Part A asks us to calculate the bubble point. Part B asks us to calculate the dew point. And Part C asks us to take a temperature that is in between the bubble and dew point, right in the middle, and then calculate the mole fraction, the composition of the vapor, as well as the fractional amounts of liquid and vapor. I should also mention that parts A and B do also ask us for the compositions of the initial vapor at the bubble point and the initial liquid at the dew point. And then finally, part D asks us to compute the temperature at which you have 50% vapor and liquid, and then also determine the composition of the vapor and liquid. So I'm going to break this effort into a few different videos. Right now, I'm just going to define the components in Aspen, and then I'll set up a flash simulation in the next video, and subsequently I will show how you can get the answers to these questions. Okay, I already have Aspen loaded on a virtual machine. Well, I guess I actually don't have Aspen loaded. Let's load Aspen. Okay, new simulation. Aspen is going to start us on the page where we specify what components are in our simulation. Notice that we have this symbol, a circle that is half red, half white. This is Aspen's symbol for critical inputs. You can't do a simulation unless you give it some information in this window. In this case, it needs to know what compounds we're working with. So I'm going to click on Find, and I'm going to say N-hexane, search, and you can see N-hexane on the list. Add it. Okay, now you can see the compound hexane is populated. I also want heptane. I want to add that. I don't want to replace, I want to add. And then octane. And octane, add that. Add.